Friend, do you need a simple upgrade to your space? This is probably going to be something you didn't even know you needed. And wait till you see how I was living so you can see how much I needed these. Shout out to EKO for sponsoring this video. They sent me over a few goodies to share with you. So what we have here, this is the double EKO Slim Bathroom Trash Cans with the removable liners. These are 6 liters or 1.6 gallons. You get 2 in a pack. The foot pedal comes on them. You can mash that foot pedal, y'all, more than 200,000 times. That's how sturdy that thing is. It's fingerprint resistant, soft close, and it can fit almost anywhere. Nice and sleek, super modern, super upscale looking. Can't beat it. And plus you get 2 in a pack. I needed these. Wait until you see where I'm going to place them. Next, we have the EKO Mirage T, the 50 liter or 13.2 gallon. This is a touchless brushed stainless steel finish, okay? This also comes in 80 liters, which is also like 21.1 gallons. And then they come as small as 45 liters, which is 11.9 gallons. They're also fingerprint resistant. You do need 4 AA batteries for it to work. Those are not included. Did come with some extra trash can liners, but you don't need the insert liner on this trash can. Also, for you neat freaks, here's a way you can conceal your trash can liner. You just take the insert ring that comes inside the lid, place it on top just like so, tuck the bag inside, and now you have no bag in sight. Nice and neat. Next, we have the EKO Kitchen Compost bin that you can use on your countertop, or you can hang it on the side, and it does come with all the items that you need to hang it. It does also come with the removable inner bucket liner. It comes with a deodorizer compartment so that you can keep it deodorized. And it also comes in 3 colors, as you see listed here below. Again, you can place this on the countertop or you can hang it. It also is sleek as well, fingerprint resistant, and it is so convenient to use. Again, it does come with all the hardware that you need for installation. And last but not least, we have an EKO touchless automatic soap dispenser. Now look, everybody needs one of these with these germy seasons that we be going in and out of. This is water resistant. It's 9 ounces and it has 3 adjustable settings so that you can customize the flow of your product that's coming out. Also, you can use this for liquid gel hand sanitizer, shampoos, and body wash. Okay, and it also comes with the USB charger. I am going to leave a link down below for you guys, just in case you are interested in upgrading your trash can game at your house. Again, keep watching so that you can see how much I needed these to upgrade our space. I have been slacking on the job, friend, because this trash can didn't even have a lid that worked anymore. It was from the penthouse, if you remember it. Now we have this nice automatic trash can. We don't have to touch it, and it keeps the trash contained, and we don't have any smelly odors or anything like that as well. I'm just enjoying the whole vibe of open, close, open, close, open, close. And next, in our bedroom, we had two spaces, bedroom and bathroom, where we had open trash cans, and I would have preferred to have them closed. And so I'm going to be adding them in these two spaces as well. Much needed. I love the sleek design. The stainless steel does not bother me. If it doesn't bother you, check the link down below. Again, if they leave me any codes or anything that's going to help save you some change, friend, you already know Auntie's going to put it down below as well, or slap it across the screen in this video. Such nice pieces. Again, I will leave the link down below. I actually will not be using mine as a compost bin because I don't need it for one. But I do, however, need a trash can in my office. And even though this one, is not, the automatic or the step-on paddle, that is totally fine with me. I love the sleek modern design of the stainless steel. And I love the fact that my grandkids cannot put their little dirty fingerprints on it because it is fingerprint resistant. Now, you can use yours in the kitchen or wherever you need to. Hang it wherever. It's also good for RVs. Again, shout out to EKO for sponsoring this video. I will leave the link down below, my friends. Any codes, again, anything they offer me, I offer you. Head on over to the site, check them out, see if there's anything on there that you need to upgrade your space, friend, because we all need some newness.